There will be a miracle. Stick around and see. You need patience for a miracle. Timing is the key. Could not have happened yesterday, and tomorrow is too late. The moment has to be exact, and until then we'll have to wait. You can never rush a miracle. You can't force a thing to be. I am desperate for a miracle, but it won't come just for me. We will all share the miracle, as everybody should. Little ones, grocery clerks, CPAs, movie stars, battered wives, dying boys, hungry souls, the worst of men alone with a gun. I always knew there would be a miracle. I've wondered when and how. But I will see a miracle. There will be a miracle, if not soon. Now, there will be a miracle. We will see.